Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about numeral in Chinese. The biggest difference between English and Chinese in terms of numeral, in terms of numbers, is in Chinese, we have this one. We have this unit that is 10,000. 10,000. In English, English only has thousands, right? Thousands, 千, and then jump to million, 百万. From thousands, jump to millions. But in Chinese, we have this one. One, it means 10,000 and 10,000, 100,000. So we have one more unit. So the situation is totally different from here. In English, you say, for example, right? You use three numeral as a set. Three as a set. Right? So this is thousands, this is million. But in Chinese, we use four numbers as a set because we have one more unit, one. For example, so in Chinese, this is 1234万. This is called one. This comma is one. 5678. 5678. So in English, this number should be written as, right? This is thousands. This is million. 12,345,678. But in Chinese, we have one more unit, that is 10,000, one. So 个十百千，个十百千，个位、十位、百位、千位。This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, thousands, and 10,000 is one. This is 10,000, one way, one way, and 10,000 位, right? 10,000s, 100,000s. This is million, 2 million, and here is 千万位. 千万位 means 10 millions, 10 millions. So that is the biggest difference between Chinese and English. We have one more unit. Okay, let's learn how to count numbers step by step. First, we have here 个. 个, it means once. I'll write it here. Once. 个十, 十 means tens. 十百, 个十百, of course, hundreds. I'll just write HUNDS, hundreds, and 千, thousands, thousands, and one. One is 10,000s, 10,000s, and 10,000, 100,000s, 100,000s, and 百万, million, millions, 千万, 10 millions, 10 millions. E is 100 millions, 100 millions. So for example, 5, 5, 6, 2, 1. This number, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, comma, right? Comma. So this is 20万. This is 10万, right? So you say 20, 20. It's very like the way you count numbers in English within this set. Within this set, you count thousands, only thousands, and with this comma, the comma is unit. So this is like 20, the comma is 1. 20万1265 20万1265 In English, it is right 201,265. But in Chinese, we have one more unit, 1. So this is 20万1265, right? 1000, 1,265. 1265. For example, count 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 580, right? In Chinese, it's a 3 numeral, 3 digital. 580, and this comma is 1, not 1,000, as it is in English. In Chinese, this comma is 1. 580万, it means 5,800,000. 580万6002 6,002 6002. It's very simple. It's just we in Chinese we have one more unit, 10,000. We call it 1. So this 1 is the basic unit as it is the thousands in English. Like for example, we write a big number, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma. Right? So this is E, then you say E, right? This one here, the first comma from right to left, the first comma is 1. And this comma is E. E, it means 100 million. I'll write it here. 1亿, right? 1亿, 100 million, 100 million. 2345万 2345 45 we can write it in a more easier way. 345万 this comma is 1 and 6789. Here in Chinese, 12345万6789. 1亿, this comma is E, 100 million. 12345. So in this set, this 4 digital set, it is always pronounced as how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. 2345, right? 1, this comma is 1. 6789. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just change the mindset from English to Chinese. The rest is the same. We'll write another number. Right here, 4 digitals, comma, right? 280, 280, and this comma is 1. Then it is 280万, 280万, 9453, 9453. So this one is 280万 9453. So the mindset you have to change is from thousands to one in Chinese. In English, it is very important to remember the thousands, right? 10,000s, 100,000s. But in Chinese, we have this one. This is a pivotal of counting numbers. One. For another example, this one. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Comma. 2 is R or 两. 两. 两 means R right here. Chinese 两, it means R, 2, 2, R. 两. It's the same. 两, comma is 1. 2万5128. 5000, 5,000, 100, 100, 28, 28. For another example, one, two, three, four, comma. This comma is 1, that is 10,000. So this number should be pronounced as 7000, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7800, 7000 is 7,000. 7800, 800. 0, 0 means 0. We call that number. Unlike in English, you don't call 0, right? You say and. But in Chinese, we say 7803. 0, we say 0. We call it. We name it. 7800. Literally, it means 7,800 0 3 3 7803 and then comma 1 7803万 then here we don't call these two zeros. Instead of calling these two zeros, we directly say 56 56 7803万 56 or you can name it. You can name these two zeros if you like. 7803万 056. These two zeros, you just name 1. 10, 0. You say 0 once, not 00. Just once. 056. 056. For another example, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, comma. Right? So here, 8 is 800 million, 800 million, right? 800 million, 8亿. So this comma is 1, and this comma, the second comma here, is 亿, that is 100 million. 亿. So this 八亿3672 3672 and then comma 万3672万5487 487. So the very important feature of counting Chinese numbers, the secret lies in here, the unit 1. We have one more unit, 1. That is 10,000. Alright, I hope you have learned something. I hope you now can count numbers on your own. See you next time.